Do you want it? Yeah. Two parking at this building. I just want to. Can we talk about price over here? Just so people can. Okay, let me get you in focus. Okay, we're good.
Okay, and the most important thing is the price. This house is just in $75.
Let's do that one more time. My fault.
It's 75.
75,000.
Casa esa, ¿verdad?
Ellos tuvieron la ducha de coger la esquina. No, yo estaba captando una de esas, pero en lo que el cliente me dijo que viniera, ya la vendió, se la vendió a un vecino. Eso pasa mucho aquí, que como entre ellos mismos tienen un hermano, un amigo que quieren que viva aquí.
Una casita así, cerca de San Isidro, y sería muy similar a lo que ella tiene allá.
Pero aquí hay en construcción, ¿tú sabes quiin la tiene?
Pero que no sea duple porque ya
Okay.
No, aquí hay normales.
Okay, we're all go.
So hi guys, again we are here in Ciudad del Sol. We are just seeing a townhouse with 2 bedrooms, and the price of this house is $75,000. This is a gated community, a really good place to live and to enjoy a little bit. It's close to everything, and you have a great termination in a wonderful good price.
Okay. 75, folks. Look at this. 75. Can't get this in Canada. Beautiful neighborhood. Gated communities. Okay. Look at that. 75,000. Black Order Soul. Hit that like, subscribe. I'll leave the contact information in the bottom of the video. Contact me and I'll get you in touch. And let's make it happen for you. 75,000. US. Okay? Gorgeous. That's concrete, not plywood like in Canada. Remember, we just had a hurricane out here. We just had a hurricane here, and this is still standing. This is solid built, no windows are blown out, nothing. Okay? Can't get this in Canada. Contact me. It's your boy Joey, Black Order Soul. 3 Amigos Realestate.com. Number 3 Amigos Realestate.com. Get in touch, and I'll get you in touch with your new home.